We're in Kauai. That is the Grand Canyon of the Pacific. And this is your DIY itinerary from the Pride of America cruise. I'm covering the real cost, the real time it takes, and everything else you need to know. We're about to go mountain tubing through old sugarcane canals deep in the mountains of Kauai that have been there for more than a century. This is one of the highest rated activities on the island, and it was one of the most memorable things I did on the whole cruise. We're going mountain tubing with backcountry adventures. If you're picturing a lazy river like at a water park, this is not that. You're basically floating through history. You're in irrigation tunnels for old sugarcane fields. These tunnels were never meant to have humans in them. They're more than a century old, and you can feel that. First of all, they give you a helmet with a headlamp because you're in complete darkness for parts of this. You're spinning. You're bumping into jagged rock walls. You're basically just bumping and spinning your way through all of these tunnels. It was so much fun, and it was definitely an experience that I will not forget. This is a little more than I thought it was gonna be. Oh my gosh. Now, that does come with a pretty hefty price tag because it's $150 per person. And we booked the 10 a.m. tour, and by the time they served lunch, it was about 1 p.m. So you can expect to spend around 3 hours here. I'll put a link for this exact tour that I did in the free guide that's in the video description in case you want to check it out. Next up, the Grand Canyon of the Pacific. We're on our way to the Grand Canyon of the Pacific in Kauai. This is Waimea Canyon, and believe me, it lives up to the hype. Now, getting there is half the adventure. We just off-roaded in our Kia rental car, but it lived. The drive up the mountain is a slow, windy road, but the views are breathtaking. Someone just said we need to stop on the side of the road on the way to see the strangest, smallest waterfall on the island. Let's go. On the way up, you'll want to stop at this hidden gem, the Red Dirt Waterfall. It's this tiny waterfall right on the side of the road. And I mean, literally, it's just on the side of the road. I'm not sure how you're supposed to do it, but we just parked on the side of the road and I climbed over the guardrail, so don't expect anything super official here. So there's no real address for this, but don't worry, I'll put a link to the exact location in the free guide that's in the video description. I mean, in person, this is so cool to see. This is absolutely breathtaking. It's better than I thought it would be, honestly. Here's the thing they don't tell you. The real magic is on the drive back down. Someone just told me I need to come down here to see the goat heads. We'll see. You get a 360-degree view. The canyon is on one side, the ocean is on the other side. But I've never been to the actual Grand Canyon though. So if you have been to the Grand Canyon, let me know your thoughts in the comments. The drive to the canyon is completely free, but the cruise line charges $250 per person to take you. So for the two of us, we would have spent $500 on this tour. All right, you only have 2 easy stops left. The first one is the Kauai Coffee Farm. We were just driving down the road and I see a sign for Kauai Coffee Farm. I can't believe it. That's the coffee I buy. I buy Kauai coffee, and I did not realize they had a whole farm you can visit
on Kauai. I just stumbled upon it and we had to stop. No wonder the coffee tastes so good. They have ocean views while they're growing.
And it's right on your way back to the ship. This is a massive local Hawaiian coffee farm. Imagine smelling that comforting coffee smell mixed with the ocean breeze. This is just fantastic.
I can't believe it. I'm seeing where my coffee grew. I'm seeing where it lived before it came to my pantry. Oh my God.
You can walk around, you can take a tour, but let's be honest, we're here for the coffee-free samples. If you tried the Kona coffee yesterday on the Big Island and you thought, hey, that's a bit strong for midday, then this is for you. Kauai coffee is much milder and smoother. If you haven't seen that itinerary video for the Big Island port, go ahead and watch that next.
Oh, it's so good. This is their private estate one. So good.
Plus, they have a full coffee shop. So, of course, I had to get one. And it was, you guessed it, the macadamia nut latte. It was phenomenal. Just hook me up to an IV of this thing, okay? The last stop before you're back on the ship is the Waikomo Shave Ice truck. Now, I need you to forget everything you think you know about shave ice. This is not like any shave ice you have ever had before. It's 100% natural. There's no artificial flavors, no dyes, none of the fake stuff. They mix in actual fresh fruit. I tried the strawberry and vanilla, and I'm not joking. I could have eaten 6 of these bowls. It was that good. If you took my advice in the video I did for the Maui port itinerary, then you've tried ululanis, and this is so different. I'll put the exact location of the food truck in the description, but it's right on your way back to the ship. Now, the best part about the Kauai port is that the Pride of America docks here overnight. So there's no return time to the ship today. You have plenty of time to relax and explore, which is why we could pack so much in today.
This is 1,000,000% the best view we have had from our balcony. I mean, I can't believe I'm seeing this in real life.
On day 2, you can do something super easy right from the cruise ship.
We're walking from the ship to some shops nearby. We're excited to finally be able to do that. This is one of the only ports that really has anything walkable by it.
It's about a 10-minute walk to the Anchor Cove Mall. This is the only port in a truly walkable area, but you could also just take the free shuttle if you want. This place has all the souvenir shops, restaurants, an ABC store, and a beach. Shout out to the Jammin' Banana Bakery with this Nutella Pop-Tart, which was fantastic and only $4. If you have any questions about the rental car, the timing, or that Nutella Pop-Tart maybe, drop them in the comments below. This is a perfect stress-free morning of your cruise. You can walk along the beach, you can grab some last-minute souvenirs like I did, and then hop on the free shuttle right back to the ship. And that is how you have an epic and easy DIY stop in Kauai on the Pride of America. Be sure to get a copy of the free guide that's linked in this video description. It covers everything I mentioned in this video plus more. I have an itinerary just like this one for each of the other 2 islands that Pride of America visits. I hope this guide helps you plan your own perfect day. If it did, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button.